Hi, I'm Jesse Mackey, Investment Officer for 4Thought Financial Group. Today we'd like to give you an overview of our firm's investment management thought process and program. During the time since the 2008 financial crisis, the wisdom of nearly all investment methods has been called into question. In an era in which many investors' portfolios have continued to fall short of expectations and life goals have been reshuffled, it's been difficult for most to make decisions on how to move forward with their financial lives. It's against this uncertain backdrop and out of the flames of the financial crisis that the new fire-hardened investment methodology we're about to describe to you was born. 4Thought Financial Group's investment management methodology, which we call multi-contingency investment management, was not invented by 4Thought Financial Group. It was invented by Bruce Lee. One of the things that made Bruce Lee great, not as an actor, but as a street-fighting martial artist who had proven himself in countless real-world, no-rules fights, was that he mastered the most practical aspects of many forms of martial arts. So no matter who he was fighting or in what environment, he could adapt and win. At 4Thought Financial Group, we believe that trying to achieve one's lifetime financial goals is truly a fight in real terms. So we've now adopted many of Bruce Lee's ideas and applied them to the planning and management of investment portfolios. The first idea is that in order to win the fight and achieve one's life goals, one must fight by applying the most effective aspects of multiple methods of investment and not be dogmatic about using a single method. This will allow one to be effective in many environments and against many different types of opponents or contingencies. Second, it's important to be able to actually execute one's theory and techniques in a hostile real-world environment. So simplicity, efficiency, and practicality are key. And third, one must be ready to adapt reactively and to proactively innovate as opposed to relying on ideology or conventional wisdom. Finally, and fourth, in a fight it's essential to remain fluid, flexible, and free. In the fight of financial life, this freedom is also ultimately the goal itself: financial freedom and independence. We've studied the many investment methods in the marketplace and found that no single method is effective in all scenarios, but that each of them works effectively in a specific type of market environment. Broadly speaking, there are four major categories of investment method. Aspects of each of these methods can be coordinated and used as offensive, defensive, and counterattacking strategies. Investors can use a bear, bull, wolf, and eagle analogy to understand the four types of market environments they'll face and the corresponding best applied investment method. A bear market, characterized by investor fear and declining asset prices, we best attack using liability-driven investing. A bull market, characterized by investor confidence and rising asset prices, we best attack using strategic asset allocation. A wolf market, characterized by investor uncertainty and volatile or sideways asset prices, we best attack using opportunistic investing. And finally, an eagle market, characterized by investor exuberance and soaring asset prices, we best attack using selective investing. We don't suggest attempting to predict what type of environment is coming, but instead build a portfolio that may use multiple approaches towards the same goal so that the overall portfolio is prepared for whatever contingency arises. The theoretical framework behind this is something we call risk premium capital allocation, which describes the optimal percentage allocation of an investor's capital to each of the four major risk premiums. A risk premium is a reward that can be captured by attacking a specific type of risk. The end result of this multi-premium, multi-method approach is an aggregate investor portfolio with lower overall volatility that is better equipped to handle a much wider variety of market environments and contingencies, like those that have occurred in the years since 2008. We view this as the new diversification by investment method and not just by asset type. Using this methodology, we believe we can help to increase the probability that an investor may achieve each of his or her lifetime financial goals. In keeping with their overall methodology, we've developed a series of private separately managed accounts that are specifically suited to one of the four market environments. They can be matched directly to investor objectives and can be managed together in a coordinated manner to win the investor's financial fight, regardless of which opponent he's facing. A complete multi-contingency investment management portfolio is intended to serve as an exposure to the literal world of investment opportunities and as a defense against the world of contingencies. It's a smoothly functioning wealth generation system fully coordinated with your broader financial plan, with all aspects working in concert to achieve your goals. Thanks for watching this presentation. If you believe, as we do, that achieving your lifetime financial goals is a fight that requires the use of all available resources, practicality, adaptability, and freedom above all, then we encourage you to contact 4Thought directly using the information here. My associates and I are available personally. And remember, as Mark Twain once said, it's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. Thank you.